After the foolery of last week,
now
we're back.
You see?
2 times.
So I started a vlog of drop top, easy here, single turbo, coming to change his tires after doing what?
Oh, I went to do myself round.
Unfortunately, YouTube took that video down, so you guys didn't get to see it, but I will try and drop at least one video in there for you guys. Now he's got new tires. Prioritize your tires, guys. Otherwise, you could bash right now. Guys, look at how crazy wide the tire. Like I have big hands, man. Look at this. Look at this. Hey. On the M5. So they fixed the first one. Bringing it. What do you guys think of my exhaust? Guys, when you come, Charlie, boss, what be your name?
Kwame.
Kwame. Yeah. When you come to airport shell, look for Kwame. Yeah, he didn't scratch the rim. Look, come and look for him.
I mean, he did that.
The Hell Kitty. The Hell Kitty. Guys, which one are you picking? Hellcat or M5? Hellcat or M5? Make I tell Lloyd to make it go down. Charlie, make you shoot flame for me. E70Zs, man. Don't stop when you see me. Don't stop. Atu.
Last one.
Atu.
Oh shit.
The reactions, man. The reactions. Martin.
Yes, sir. Oh, we are live, TimSintim, you know, with the boys, vibe.
Yes, my M5.
Oh, congratulations. Come again.
Congratulations.
Oh, Ahmed, whose car is it? Thank you. So, this is what happens when you work hard. You are
So the bikers are making their way up here and about to cause chaos. Chaos.
Well done, boys.
Say it again.
The caption for the one car that he brought the bikers to me.
Yeah, thank you. That's the caption. That was a little too mental. That was a little too mental. Guys like guys really like to make noise. And then over here we have Kojo Ishan's C7 Corvette. Nice. With the background, the Hackett in the background. Sorry about the alarm behind me. Yeah. Bro. Boy, sounds good. Just trying to get her to drive better. So let's see how that goes. Driving in Ghana, sometimes like roundabouts, I have the right of way. You want to come and overtake me for what? Oh, yo, look at the clouds, man. So guys, I'm finally done with a single turbo kit. We went with Bima Fab. He actually made a very good kit. So I have the Pulsar turbo. I've forgotten the name, not the name, the size of the turbo and all that stuff. I have an upgraded fuel pump. 7.5 step intercooler, straight pipe, so it's a single exit, so it sounds really, really good. You heard that when I went through the tunnel. I have upgraded, what's the name of this thing? Injectors. I'm running Index 12s, NGK 97506. Bro, I've gone like a bit too crazy on this car. And I like where it's sitting now. I need to sort out this fueling stuff because at high RPM, the car breaks up. I think it has something to do with my voltage or my alternator or something. So I'll be dialing that in this week. So I just say enjoy the next couple of seconds because I'm about to turn this off. And then yeah, we move. want to sell this car. But yo, somebody give me a good offer. I'll let this car go.